Hey guys, welcome back. This is 𝙒𝙤𝙤𝙙𝙤𝙤 with another tutorial from TechForAll. In this video, I will show you how you can install the newest product of Microsoft, which is Windows 11. For the purpose of this video, I have already created a virtual machine in Hyper-V. Let's turn it on. This is the first window where you can choose the language you want to install, the time and currency format, and also the keyboard or input method. After you have selected all three of them, click the Next button. Click on the Install Now button. As Windows 11 is not officially launched, and also I don't have a product key, so I will click on this option. The ISO that I am using contains Windows Home, Windows Education, Windows Pro. So I will choose the Windows 11 Pro version. Click on the Next button. This page is the Microsoft software license terms. Click on this option. I accept the Microsoft software license terms, and then click on Next button. If you are upgrading your Windows 10 and you don't want your files, settings, and applications to be deleted, then go with the first option. As I don't have any Windows installed on this Hyper-V machine, so that's why the upgrade option is not available. Let's go back and choose the second method, which is custom installation or advanced mode. I have allocated 50 GB for the purpose of this installation. Click on New to start the partition. Click on Apply button. It says Windows will create additional partitions for system files. It's okay. Click the OK button. And now click on the Next button to start the installation. The installation process might take a few minutes, and it depends on the specifications of your PC or computer. Windows needs to restart to continue. If you want to restart it manually, click the Restart Now button. The Windows installation is completed now. Select the country or region you are in. And click on Yes button. Here you have to choose whether you want Windows 11 to connect to a network or not. As I don't have any internet connection, so I will select this option. I don't have internet. It says if you connect to the internet, you can quickly set up your device. I don't want to set up it from internet. So I will select the continue with limited setup option. Provide a username for this computer. Then click the next button. Enter a password. Click the next button. Confirm the password. Click the next button. Here you have to choose 3 questions and provide answers for them, so that when you forget your password, you can use these question and answers to reset your password. Here you can enable and disable the location services, find my device services, diagnostic data, and many other options. I will go with the default options and I won't turn on or off any of them. After you have done the modifications, click on the accept button. And that's all for today. If you need any help, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. I will catch you very soon with another video. Till then, have a nice time.